having scored off the bench on debut against Arrows, earns a very first start at home to Durban City prior to the international break. Even for a midweek fixture such as this, it is a high-stakes encounter as we get underway. These sides meeting for the 9th time in the top flight, and
hand like a full slap into the face of Linoba, which was not intentional at all.
That's a brilliant little flick header, and there's plenty of space here for Matsimbi, who rolls it across for Bradley Grobler. Who else? He's the first to breach the Kaizer Chiefs defense this season. A man who's made a habit of scoring against Amakosi over the years has done it again.
I could tell passing passages, the pockets of spaces where the ball could be squeezed through. Defensively brilliant at the time.
Lilepo driving to the byline, puts the ball across, and it has been scrambled in. Well, he's made a dream start to life at Kaizer Chiefs. Flavio Silva is on the score sheet again. That is quite an achievement as Makhalwa looks for his 5th assist of the season. It's team able to hang on to it for any sustained period. And now Ndlovu excellently locates Lilepo. He's found Frosler. Reed Frosler has a go! And Tostan Tabata. Makhalwa puts it in. Ronaldo gets his head on it. So that's it for the first half. It's lived up to its billing. Both sides have that is the only alteration that has happened. Oh, it's a lovely battle between those two, which Frosler this time succeeds in. Now given away by Lilepo for Ramala. Ronaldo takes over. Oh! He's done it again. Bradley Grobler has restored sekhukhune United's advantage.